Biddems, are you happy that I'm home? It's very good to see my Biddems bit. Yep, I know it's too hot to wear a shirt. You said it, buddy. You said it. I haven't seen him in 2 weeks, you guys. 2 weeks is too long to be away from the Biddems. He's look at just sprawled out, man. Help yourself, Biddems. Please help yourself. Help yourself to your dad's lap. Hey, Do. I'm very happy to see you. Oh, this is what it's about, you guys. This is what it's about. Prime House Hippo. Oh, oh my goodness. Great foes. Great foes.